Your morning routine will not make you fucking rich. As you heard me, it will not make you fucking rich or financially free. Yes, having a morning routine or night routine is a good thing. It will lay down your shit or what we need to do after we wake up or before we sleep. Those TikTok or Instagram challenge like 75 days hard of meditating, cold showers, fucking working out consistently, reading a book 10 pages or whatever the fuck it is. Those are fucking easy things. Like, it's super easy. They're not that hard. Actually, I'm not bragging, they're not that hard. But those things will not make you fucking rich. You heard me again. It will not make you rich. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it doesn't have its own benefit. But let's stop ourselves from being delusional that morning routine or night routine will make us financially free, financially stable. I also have this delusion that having a morning routine or something going on that is not related to my financial stability will make me rich. Yes, having a morning routine is an amazing thing. It's a good thing. Like reading a book in the morning or doing some shit like breath work, meditation, which on a surface level, if you really think about it, is a shallow work. I have read the book Deep Work. I forgot the author who it is. I don't really mind the author, but the title is Deep Work, which talks about shallow work and deep work. While I was considering my morning routine as a deep work, I haven't realized that what I have been doing was shallow work. Why? Yes, I may have a morning routine. Yes, it's a good thing and learn from the books that I have read and realize some shit with my meditation sessions, increase my discipline, consistency, and so on. I mean, those things are beneficial, don't get me wrong, but it will not literally benefit me to gain financial stability. You know what I'm saying? Do you get my point here? What I've been doing was shallow work because I would literally spend hours and hours in my morning routine. How will I improve my morning routine and shit to the point that it will literally blind me to the things that I need to prioritize? That's why I have learned this as I have observed my mother, my own mother. She doesn't have any morning routine or that fucking night routine or whatever the fuck it is. And my mom is my great inspiration when it comes to like doing business. I mean, life in general, what she has been through to put food on our table, to provide, because she is a single mother. As I have observed her every day, she doesn't have that online type of shit routine that many Instagram influencers or YouTube influencers give advices to young people. She doesn't have that, like that morning routine or have this blah blah blah. But the first thing she does is focusing entirely on the business. We have a business actually. Fortunate because of my mother's hard work. I am fortunate to experience the fruits of her hard work. And actually we were very poor back then. Like literally we don't have any money, we don't have any shit. Like we can't even eat for like what, 2 days, sometimes a day without eating, or like we eat one time a day like before. So yeah, she focuses entirely on the business. Like she doesn't have anything extravagant morning routine or whatever it is. She focused on something that will put food in our table, and it hit me. And I don't need to do that stupid morning routine or have some routine. I mean, I still have some routine, don't get me wrong, I still do them, but not the same as before. That I would look, you know, literally spend hours on my morning routine. As you have seen my past videos, I uploaded a video that showed my routine and I showed it on screen back then, because I was thinking that I would become rich, and I was also ignorant back then just by doing my morning routine. And it's me being delusional, as I have learned from this online influencers. Super fucked up. I was young and stupid, and all of that time is wasted. I was literally disciplined about it, but it got to the point that I am questioning it, that if this shit will make me rich, or I don't know. And I have realized that it would not really help me out when it comes to finances. Not unless I use my brain power to the things that is related to my finances or financial stability. I'm not against anything about morning routine or having a routine in general. It's a good thing. What I'm trying to say is spend your time wisely and your brain capacity, especially to your financial. You need to learn your finances, what things you need to do in order for you to have this financial stability, or the roadmap or the journey that you are going through that is related to your finances. Spend your time more on the things that you are aware will generate you an income. Don't just focus on going to the gym, reading a book without taking actions, meditating without taking actions, or journaling without even realizing and applying to yourself what you have realized. Basically, take accountability. You're being delusional, and take action. That's it. Take accountability that your routine is not gonna make you rich or financially stable. It will literally not. I know many people that doesn't do routine, but they are doing good in life. Yes, it will, give you discipline. You will learn how to be disciplined to help you generate money. Yes, it will help you, and that's a valid point. I'm not against anything of it. But if you spend hours on your little morning routine or whatever you are doing, and you are talking about this shit to your friends, bragging that you have this morning routine, that it is a good thing, you're literally being delusional. You have to accept the fact that you need to make results. You need to make something. It's like having a portfolio. You need to have proof. In order for you to achieve that proof, you need to take the actionable step that relates to your financial stability. Don't just focus on going to the gym, books, reading books, meditating, journal, repeat. Don't just do that. Don't do that, man. Be wise with your time, and think also wise, because we have limited time in this world. Not all the time we're gonna be strong or like having this motivation, having this drive. Will literally not all the time you'll have that shit, but have the purpose. If you want to provide for your family and to the people that you cherish the most, have that purpose. Take things with a grain of salt. Learn something from the things that you are doing right now. Be wise with your action. Don't just do and do. Think about what you are doing. What's behind of it? Why you are doing this? Why are you doing this? And align that to your future and to your finances, to your mental stability, to your relationship. I have nothing against about it or anything of it, because all of it have its own strengths and weaknesses. And I'm saying, like, the morning routine, it has its own strengths and weaknesses, but I want you to pick your strengths and evade from the weaknesses of those things. Not just morning routines, but in general. That would put your future and time at risk. Evade those things. You need to be wise the way you think and analyze what you need to, evade. You know what I'm saying? We want the financial freedom, yes, who doesn't want it? The mental stability and the relationship stability, but we are doing it in a wrong way. I see those who like isolating themselves, doing those lone wolf type shit, or monk mode per se. That's what they call monk mode. I mean, those things are good things in their own ways, but you have to identify your own shit and where you can put yourself in a position that would give you an advantage. It's like playing a chess. Every move is calculated to your advantage. You calculate your move, you calculate your next move on what move that will have an impact to your king and to your pieces. Just simply putting yourself into advantage in order for you to achieve things in life. Depends on your situation, where you are right now, and it will differ when you achieve a big goals or a goal in general in your life, that you will need to change your position again and analyze again to put yourself into advantage. It's about playing your own shit, knowing your shit, and prioritizing your shit. That's really about it. Take everything with a grain of salt. Even my words, take it with a grain of salt. Have some doubts on me, because my advice may work for you or for some other people or for me, but it will not literally work from your position. Rather than it will just give you an insight on what to do and how will you apply it to yourself, and will you apply it to yourself, and you will tweak something with your level of knowledge. Because the things that I have mentioned earlier, I have literally did them to myself, and I am relaying you guys what I have learned from those things. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me today, as I am rooting for your success and for your greatness in this world. I love you guys all. Peace.